In this video, I'm doing a weekly meal plan plus a little grocery haul with some items from Aldi's and Walmart. If you'd like to see what I bought this week for a healthy eating plan at Aldi's and Walmart, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name's Patty. Thanks for choosing my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. This week, I have decided to do a meal plan for the week. I stopped at Aldi's and picked up some items I need to complete my menu, and also a couple things at Walmart. But I'm going to try to choose some meats I have out of my freezer, so I kind of clear out my freezer. But I am including the food that I bought just so you could see. I got some different items. I'm going to put the points on the screen so you can see it. I've lost 121 pounds so far on the Weight Watcher Blue plan, and this is some of the items I buy to keep me on track and to help me lose weight. So on this week's menu, which may or may not be in the same order, Monday I'm actually going out to dinner, so I'm going to choose something healthy. But then my next meal, I'm making orange chicken made with some orange juice concentrate, and to serve it over some cauliflower rice. And I'm doing a recipe for pulled pork. I purchased some sugar-free barbecue sauce and sugar-free ketchup. So I kind of adjust a recipe that I have for pulled pork, and I make it more Weight Watcher friendly, and I'm going to have that. The next item, I am making a French onion chicken bake, which is a good recipe. I think it's by Pound Dropper. I'll link it below, and any of the other recipes that I use. But I made French onion chicken before, but this is in a baked format, so it looks pretty tasty, so I will be making that. On Thursday, I'm using some Trader Joe's Italian sausage that I bought, and I'm going to make peppers and onions with the Italian sausage, so that's always a good meal. Then on Friday, I am making a recipe that I kind of invented. I took it off of a recipe that I ate at a restaurant called Lazy Days in Isla Morada in the Keys. And it's a fish recipe that's made with lime juice and a topping with tomatoes and scallions. And that is a really tasty recipe, so stay tuned. I will put that in a video so you'll be able to watch that. So the last day, I'm just going to do a steak meal. I have some steaks I had bought at Aldi's, and I'm just gonna do a steak with baked potato. And that would be my menu for the week. For lunches, I'm doing a Big Mac salad. Then I will have some turkey corn dogs from Trader Joe's. I have those to use up. For breakfast, I will be making some breakfast sandwiches on English muffins. And then I'm going to make some sausage with muffins with some turkey crumbles that are really good. So stay tuned for those videos. I'll be putting them up on my site, and make sure you subscribe so you can be up to date when I upload those videos. So I hope you enjoy this meal plan. Comment below if you plan on making any of the recipes that or food recipes I'm suggesting, or any of the meal plans. It's a really good idea to have your meals planned for the week at least, so you can know what you're gonna make. It helps you stay on track. When you have so many points to use, if you know what you're going to use for dinner, it will help you figure it out accordingly. For example, if you're going to have an 8-point dinner, then you have, and I have 25 points, so I have 17 points for breakfast and lunch. So I can kind of divide them up or use it for a snack or something like that. But that is my plan for the week, and I'll be putting my Aldi's haul in next. And I hope you enjoy seeing what I bought to eat healthy for the week. I got some 96% fat-free ground beef, center cut bacon. I got some strawberries, chicken breast tenderloins are for I'm making a chicken recipe this week of orange chicken, and I bought that for that. Asparagus, I picked up some Skinny Girl poppy seed dressing. It's only 10 calories for 2 tablespoons. Sugar-free hickory barbecue sauce, G. Hughes. 10 calories for 2 tablespoons. Some sugar-free ketchup. That is 5 calories for 1 tablespoon. Some fat-free Thousand Island dressing. It's 60 calories for 2 tablespoons. I was going to use it to make a Big Mac salad. The Olay Extreme Wellness wraps are only 1 point each, and they are good in quesadillas, for wraps. You can use them for just about anything. And the 45 calorie Sara Lee Delightful bread. This is only 1 point a piece. It's so good. It's my favorite. I'm a white bread fan. And this bread is really good. A lot of people buy that 647 bread, but this is just as good. A head of lettuce to have. 0 points. And I'm trying this Italian style chicken marsala. It's not on the meal plan for this week, but I saw it. It's only 60 calories for a 1/4 cup, and I heard some good things about it, so I'm going to try that. Of course, my stock cold brew coffee, my favorite, really cheap. Cheapest prices at Aldi's. I think it was $4.42. Some fat-free chicken broth. It's always good to use in recipes involving chicken. Green onions or scallions. Some baby dill pickles. They are 0 points for pickles. Good crunchy snack to have. I got some Granny Smith apples to make my apple pie slow cooker apples. A dozen of eggs. I always like to have eggs around. I've got a head of broccoli crowns, some carrots, blueberries, bagel skinnies, or everything bagel skinnies. They're only 3 points each. 110 calories, and they are really good for sandwiches or making with eggs as a substitute for a regular full point bagel. And the oven original English muffins also are only 3 points, and I like to make breakfast sandwiches out of those. I got a spaghetti squash I'm going to use I have some turkey bolognese sauce left from Trader Joe's, and I'm going to bake that and make a little casserole, probably for lunch. Some sweet potatoes, a pineapple. The Sims turkey stacks are only 1 point per turkey sausage. They taste like little smokies. They're really good. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can stay up to date whenever I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.